Hi guys, welcome to my channel Beauty Made Easy. In this video, I am going to make instant tan removal face pack. It removes tan, acne, brightens the skin and makes the skin glow. Without any further delay, let's jump into the video. But before that, do subscribe to my channel to get updated on all my 100% natural home remedies. After pressing the subscribe button, do press the bell icon to receive notification whenever I upload a new video, and it is absolutely free. For the ingredients, you will need wheat flour, that is atta, which we use to make chapatis. The next ingredient is rose petal powder. You will get this at any local organic store. The last ingredient is unboiled milk. This is 1 tablespoon of atta or wheat flour. To this, add 1 tablespoon of rose petals powder. Add 2 tablespoons of unboiled milk. Mix the ingredients well until you get a thick paste. Apply this paste on your face and neck, avoiding the eye area. Let the pack sit on for 20 minutes. After that, wash your face with cool water. Wheat flour works miracles on our skin as it has vitamins, fibres and many other essential nutrients. It removes tan, acne, brightens the skin and makes the skin glow. Wheat flour has exfoliating agents which can make your skin rejuvenated. It makes the skin glow and soft. Lactic acid in milk helps to reduce pigmentation, heal dry skin, hydrate the skin, heal acne and relieve sunburn. Vitamin A in milk treats dry, flaky and peeling skin. Vitamin D aids in youthful and glowing skin, slows down the fine lines and wrinkles. Protects skin from free radicals that cause premature aging. Helps to fade dark spots and marks. Reduces acne. Biotin in milk is very good for healthy skin. It heals dry skin and revitalizes the dry and cracked skin. Roses have an exotic scent and can refresh your skin naturally. They contain antioxidants that fight off free radicals, skin irritants, excess sebum and germs. Rose petals are rich in vitamin C and other antioxidants. It enables blemishes and acne scars to heal faster. Roses will leave your skin soft, smooth and supple as they have a natural astringent effect on skin. Do try this face pack at least once a week to get the tan-free, glowing and brightened skin instantly. Do subscribe to Beauty Made Easy for more such videos. Thanks for watching.